Installation video of Sumak UPS. Here we have the battery and inverter. Firstly we'll see the inverter. This back side of inter shows the cable as AC input whose other side will be connected to power supply, the other two wires as positive and negative. Then comes the battery. The battery is tall tubular battery. Firstly we have to check the water level of the battery. Then connect the black wire to the negative connector and red on the positive connector of the battery. So now you can see the light glows on the UPS which shows the supply is given from battery to the UPS. Then we have to give the main power supply to the UPS by connecting the wire with the phase and neutral to the electricity board. After this setup we will see that our UPS is on. Charging also shows on the UPS. There's an MCB switch also, through which we can check that if MCB switch is off then TGER's no charging, only power supply is there. So this was the whole process of inverter installation.